So, big news in the world of privacy today. Meta has just announced that it is now going to use consent as its legal basis for collecting and processing personal data related to advertising in Europe. Prior to this, they weren't doing that. They attempted to skirt the regulations. A ruling earlier this year required them to reevaluate the legal basis for how they process personal data related to targeted advertising, personalized advertising. They're now going to use consent. They should have always been using consent. One has to question why they weren't. This is going to change the user experience for the consumer, but also affect the business process, right? They were collecting data, they didn't have the appropriate lawful basis or legal basis for processing that data, and it's going to change everything. It'll be really interesting to see what the consumer experience is, whether they use a dark design pattern or whether they follow the well-trodden standards for consent. Let's stay tuned and see what happens.